taking examples from the biological sciences. I have this tissue section, and without putting any stain, I want to see it properly, right? So I need to modulate the amount of light which is falling onto.
Magnetic, huh?
Be very careful when handling it. Yes. This is another new instrument that they have kept for display in the afternoon of the second day. We don't know yet about its working, and probably they will cover it in the afternoon session. Okay. Angle.
Because you are having a complete vacuum chamber and you are having very costly lenses here, so you keep any liquid samples or which will have moisture in there, so it will evaporate and contaminate the spot. So
only
any sample having moisture content is not
suitable for this.
but how is it connected to that? That's why you are going to see that you information about the samples when you implement it in there, in this
Sorry, sir.
so they will also one more when they pass it to sample any moisture which is very important component in SEM. So which will give information about the morphology of the sample, how it was sampled and along with that, so I think in this instrument we have only two things: the composition for any desired application. So that is the item just to keep everything in that. And first we need to do is you vacuum the sample. Here you are electrons are coming to off in the sample. If you are not evacuating,
For the 7 inches. So this is the SEM image. Scanning electron microscope image. 46,000 times it can magnify your sample and show it to you very clearly. 1 lakh.
Maximum 1 lakh, sir. 1 lakh. But for this system, here I go.
You can
up
see
to
clearly 46.00
50,000.
kx means that 46,000 times. So this is the samples number. You can load up to 8 samples at a time.
But one thing you can do is just
9 samples.
But we can add it.
In the middle, one more thing is there. So totally 9 samples we can see.
Giving samples is something.
Yes sir, yes sir.
This day, you try to keep it like this.
In total 9 samples. You need not have to disturb it and then reload it again till all these 9 samples are over.
Every polymer sample, we need a
Scanning electron microscope, which is a powerful instrument, and basically this is a microscope that you should keep in mind. It can do it around 1 lakh times.
flux of the electron.
So this
It's
is
like when you
keyboard where you can
change the aperture.
change any parameters. First one is segmental. After that, aperture, wobble, freeze, scan, rotate, exchange, shift. So without even touching the instrument, you can operate or change the different modes. So with this particular, what do we say? Keyboard, something like keyboard. Nice. This is TGDSC, that is thermogrametry analysis, differential scanning calorimetry. Okay, and see here, this is some. It takes more time, I think, because they have to heat it and then cool it and then see what changes do occur in this. So this is TGDSC. Okay, they'll place the sample here in this one. This is the wire in which the sample is present. Okay, keep it in this particular instrument, and the graph would come in this manner in the system. This is XRD, X-ray diffractometer. And see, yeah, this is the one. High voltage generator, 40 kV. Scanning range is 5 to 140 degree to theta. Okay, this is based on Bragg's equation.
Usually we do from 10 to 80 or 90.
Yeah, generally 20. If noise comes from, will start from 20 to 80.
It will get maximum reflection in the range of 5 to 10. If you see like not anybody worked in metal organic frameworks, if you see the maximum you will get.
Just open to the instrument and see. This is how it looks like.
You want to keep the sample. This is the sample size. These are copper source.
Okay.
These are detector. Good dimension.
We use copper KL for radiation.
These are whole that. Oh.
Sample hold na?
Depends upon different types of samples. You have different types of papers.
Oh.
And also we want very. We don't have any special folders for films kind of thing, but we know the techniques how to do, how someone manage that kind of thing.
Achha. This is XRD, inside XRD.
These are general.
Yeah.
Source is constant. In the sample stage, detector will rotate automatically.
Yes.
But we go for tabletop means benchtop means floor top means it is theta theta. Where source and detector both will move. Samples will be fixed.
And in some cases you have sample holder, right? At that stage. Now that is fixed, but you get overall information. So it is averaging from all points of the sample.
So, yeah, they have said that for this SEM establishment, the cost was around 1.2 crore for this instrument alone. This is J's company, SEM.